Hi guys, I am back. This is, let's see, yeah, 4. This is number 4 of 4. So this is the final video for today. This is the last of the 4 Christmas journal kits that are available in my shop. So you can go and check those out if you would like. All right, so this is a 1980s copy of The Night Before Christmas, Little Golden Book. Just want to point out, you've got somewhere, it's old and it was a kid's book, so it's been loved, but for the most part, it's in pretty good shape. All right, so this one is, again, approximately 8 by 6, and it has 38 papers, so 76 pages front and back. The main kits that I used were Nikki's kit, The Holly and the Ivy. That's Musings by Nikki on Etsy. And also some of the vintage wrapping paper from Lorna at TaylorMade Journals. That's also in the book. So let's go ahead and get started. Move this out of the way. All right. So, it has like a price and a date in there. I can probably erase that. That's nothing that needs to stay there, right? It's just written in pencil, so we can erase that. There we go. All right, for the most part, I just usually leave them alone, but that wasn't anything that needed to stay there. All right, moving right along. The only embellishing I did was a little lace here on the first page of scrapbook paper. And you have all the book pages in here. This is some foil vellum, some paper dyed by my friend Lori. Hi again, Lori. This is some of Lorna's wrapping paper. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Some more Lori paper. And then this is the kit by Nikki at Musings by Nikki. I love it. Very vintage and Victorian feeling. Kind of went along with the style of the book. Some vintage graph paper. Some more Lorna wrapping paper. Some more foil vellum. More of Nikki's kit. All of the kits will be linked in the description box. You can check those out. Scrapbook paper, more book pages, some vellum, wrapping paper, more of Nikki's digital, book pages, graph paper, wrapping paper, Lori paper, book page. Oh, look at that. Isn't that precious? And some vintage graph paper, and then some scrapbook paper at the end. All right, so that's the book. And then you will get this very large glassine bag full of goodies, very similar to the 3 before, if you've already watched. You will receive this bag, and there will be stuff inside it that right now is just loose in here. So I'm going to carefully empty this out, and we'll get started. All right, so we have some more of these registered mail stamps from the Netherlands. And again, I do have those in my shop if that's something that you would like, to have just as ephemera. Some vintage labels, a vintage Denison notary label, little vintage Denison tags, one red, one green, a little place card or note card. This is a school milk ticket when milk was 3 cents. That's awesome. Let's see. All right. The bulldog clip with the glittery flower is glued on there with E6000. Should stay pretty secure. This little polka dot glassine bag full of goodies. Let's see what we have. So 2 wax seals that I made with some vintage lace kind of smushed into them. I've said it before, but don't rely on this double-sided sticky tape to hold these in place if you want them to really stay. I'm not sure how well they will hold on their own. So, you know, just obviously use your discretion, but I suggest maybe using some glue as well. But there are those. And then some silver flowers. We have more buttons and the little gingerbread girl. She's been in every kit. Most of these, they're very, very similar. Just, you know, some slight variations here and there. But here are the assortment of buttons and such in this kit. And then one of my milk cap clusters. And then these are just some die cuts from my stash that I thought were cute. So there are those. Oops, just dropped one. I don't want to lose that, so I'm going to grab it real quick. All right, there we go. Okay, and then these are from Nikki's kit. Well, let's see, probably not gold. Let me try and grab out what I want here. This is like a tri-fold little file folder from Stephanie at My Porch Prints. And then I think, oh, I also have Nikki's kit of Christmas postcards. That's where I was getting confused. Okay. All right. So these are all parts of Nikki's kits. So you have a little pocket here. Some eyelash trim everywhere. So some of these are from the Holly and Ivy kit, and some of them are her Christmas postcards kit. And I don't anymore remember which is which, but they're all very pretty. And I printed some tea dye background on the backs. Just going through this pretty quickly because I don't want to look at those kitties. I don't want these videos to be terribly long. You'll get very bored very quickly. All right, here are some tags from the kit, and I just added some ribbon and eyelash trim. And then I was having a bit of a difficulty with my toner in my printer. So there's gonna be some ribbon on the backs, but I thought it made it look cute. So yeah, I was getting like a line in the middle of my printing and it was driving me nuts. And I was waiting and waiting and waiting for a shipment of toner, and then I got lost, and then I had to order it again. And I was like, I am just going to, you know, because they were perfectly fine except for that one line. All right, a vintage poinsettia postcard. You've got your Project Life cards again, whole ton of them to play with, and they are front and back. Another reindeer rummy card. 2 large Project Life cards. There we go. The green envelope with the die cut Santa that isn't old but looks old. Let's see, some vintage die cut pieces from some scrapbook paper that I had in my stash. This is a Tim Holtz Christmas piece. This man with his Christmas tree. This is a sticker. All right, these are just some tags that you can play with. And then we have, this is some sort of vintage piece. I'm not sure if it was attached to something or if it just came like that. This is a teeny tiny 1957 calendar, and it actually has all of the months in there. How cool is that? I thought that was super cute. It was probably glued to something at one point, but I just thought that would be fun to play with. And then some more of the Christmas seals. These are actually, let's see, these are 1936, I believe. They actually kind of like adhered themselves together, so they are front and back. You could probably soak them and get them apart if you are into that. But I thought they were cute just the way they were. So those are included. Alrighty. This adorable little double pocket was made by my friend Dee Dee. Hi, Dee Dee. And it's actually double-sided there, so you could clip that on, or you could glue it and have a like third little tuck spot there. And then she also made this. This is my favorite. This is a napkin that she decoupaged onto there. How cool is that? I love that. All right, this is an ornament. It's just a really thick cardboard ornament, so you can do with that as you please. Let's see, now we are on to the vintage Christmas cards. Actually, before we do that, this is the guest check with the little red clothespin there by My Porch Prince. That would be Stephanie. And then it just has some little pieces inside. And I clipped them together so that they don't fall out. So you could take those out and use them in different places if you'd like. All right, now onto the vintage Christmas cards. So this was cut from a card. Let's see, I'm running out of space. All right, there we go. This was also cut from a Christmas card. Super cute. I love that. This as well. This one is a full card. And actually, you know, it's one of those that opens up all the way. I thought that was pretty. And then these cute little choir children. Now this one's super fun. I don't know, you might not want to put this in your journal. You might want to use it as a Christmas decoration. It does have some tape up here. You can see like really old cellophane tape. I didn't want to try and remove it or anything, so I just left it alone. But this Santa actually like stands up. Do you see that on his little snowshoes? How cute is that? And then he's holding his bag of goodies and his little puppy. I just thought that was absolutely adorable. So it's a stand-up card. So it's a little bit fragile and a little bit, you know, just be careful. But yeah, I couldn't resist. I thought that was just adorable. This is another piece from a Christmas card. And so is this. I love this. Everybody's busy doing stuff, right? Getting ready for Christmas. And it's kind of an instant journaling card there. And then we have a poinsettia napkin that you can play with. And the labels and sticker sheet from IKEA. And the piece of Christmas tissue paper. All right, we did it. We made it through all 4. All right, guys, thank you. If you watched all 4, that's absolutely fabulous. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Even if you didn't, thank you for watching. And, you know, if you watched more than one, let me know what your favorite was. I'm curious what you think about these kits. And they are all available in my Etsy shop as we speak. Well, I mean, okay, they're listed. As of right now, I haven't even listed them yet. So I'm not sure if there are any, you know, left or not. You'll have to go check because I'm recording and then uploading and listing sort of at the same time. So You know, I'm sort of all over the map today. Yeah, you know, that's just how I operate, I think. So, so that is that. All right, so go check it out. See, you know, let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite was. And I will be back soon. I'm going to share, let's see, my next video, I think, will be sharing the journal I received from Debbie at Kip's Corner for our journal swap. So I'm so excited to share that with you guys, so you can see what I got, and I love it. So, all right, that's it, guys. I will see you soon. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, Merry early Christmas. I will talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.